Hey team, it's Daniel again with Brazos Boars and Varmits. So on this hunt, we are looking down into this field of mesquites, looking through all this brushy stuff at these two hogs down here. This is from a little bit distant, far off. Now on the game camera, we had been seeing these three hogs come out basically at this almost the exact same time every single night. Two boars and a sow. Now this sow would only come out for a little bit and then disappear. However, those two boars seem to hang out the entire night. So we set up waiting for these two to come out, and they didn't come out on time. So we decided to go ahead and hit the call. Now, let me explain the setup to you a little bit. This is the patch that we were looking at, that we were hunting on. The camp is up here to the middle left, and we went down to the crest of the hill in the very center of this picture to look not only down to the feeder, which is in the bottom, which we actually could see from the camp, but we also wanted to be able to look over into that mesquite field because we knew that them hogs came out of those woods off to the right side. We were just wondering if they're going to come out to the feeder or go out to the mesquite field. We actually hit the call, and instead of coming to the feeder, they immediately ran out, but into the mesquite field. Not really sure if it was all coincidence or if they just happened to, get scared and then feel comfortable over there. But either way, that's what happened, and we could see them from that good vantage point. So here we are a lot closer. I'm going to let my brother, who's on my left, take the first shot, and then me and Marcus, who's on my right, follow up after that. So here we go.
All right, Kevin, go. Safety.
Running.
Mine's still down, kicking, but down. Safety on.
All right, so that's it. We actually recovered those two hogs right there, and there's all three of us from the firing line. Now, one thing you did notice is that I very quickly said I put the safety back on, and my only tip was mainly something for myself is that even though I've been hunting around these guys for long enough, maybe I should have held off on putting that safety on because I could have put a follow-up shot into that running pig a little bit faster. But hey, either way, we got all the pigs down and we stayed safe, had a great, awesome hunt, just like I hope y'all keep doing as well. Thanks, guys. Bye.